Hello and welcome back. The lens is smudged. I don't know if that's better. Anyways, welcome back. I've done some wiring and I figure I didn't record it because it's really boring to watch and time consuming, so it's just not a fun video. But I'm going to show you how I have it set up now. It's pretty simple. It's actually really simple. And I'll show you the wiring diagrams that I used. I will put them on the screen for you to screenshot. And again, this is for a person who's installing Nitrous, not for people to be entertained. So it's really boring. All right. So I wired the relay battery power, and this is the ignition power for the NOS mini controller, and the wires are ran down here somewhere. Oh, here they are. I just used both black because that's the gauge wire I had laying around. So that's really easy, and you have to tuck the wire up through here. I took off this lower panel to make it easier, but it still was kind of difficult. And then you just run the wires across like that to where you need them to go. I am going to secure these wires. They will be zip tied up and you will never see them. Okay. So this is exciting. When you hit the button here, watching the glove box, that lights up. And you go through the setup, programming my first shot of nitrous on. You can change all the RPMs, starting at 3,000, ending at, well, right now it's 6880, but I'll change it because I don't know, it's not tuned yet. Second set of nitrous, which I'm not going to do. And then when it goes off, my shift light, which I don't have yet. TPMS rise, I'm not 100% sure on that. Trip, not 100% sure on what that is either. 4.0 or 4.1, I don't know. Cylinders, yes, I have 8. And that's it. Pretty easy. Pretty cool. I like this. I just have the wires kind of looped around because I didn't finish the job. I don't have it quite done yet, but I am going to finish it here soon. Maybe I'll work on it today. I don't know. I'm a little unmotivated because right now my car, or the rear tires, they need replaced. I don't know if you can tell. I have no tread, and this is showing belts. So I've been scouting out tires. And that's it. So, to be continued. Bye. Not bye. If anyone has any answers on making the air lid fit, because mine won't frickin' fit since the nitrous plate has been installed. Oh, and I would like to use cruise control because I'm going to be driving this car to Myrtle Beach next year, and that doesn't fit. So see how this lid doesn't fit? I can't even get these things to fucking latch. So, any tips would be appreciated. I'm going to do some research, but I see a lot of people using the stock intake bellow, and they're running this nitrous plate. I just want my shit to fit. Okay, now bye.